Hello boys, I am here with the story The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. And the story The Little Girl tells us about the changing attitude of a little girl towards her father. Kezia's father was very strict and dominated everyone in the house. He appeared to be big in size from where she could see him. Never seemed to smile, so Kezia was always in awe of him. She used to get afraid of him always. Kezia's family consisted of her father, mother, grandmother, and Kezia herself. Alice was the cook, and she was also, in a way, part of the family. Now, before going to his office, Kezia's father would give her a casual kiss, and in return, she would wish him goodbye daily. After coming back from office, he would ask her for a cup of tea, newspaper, and for his slippers. That was his daily routine. He would ask Kezia to pull off his boots and take them outside. Boots means shoes. On Sundays, he would stretch out on the sofa with his face covered with his handkerchief and his feet on one of the best cushions, and he used to go in sound sleep and snore also. Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to get to know her father better by sending her to the drawing room on Sundays to have a nice talk with him. She told her to make a pin cushion to give her father on his birthday as his birthday present. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. On Sundays, her grandmother would encourage her to interact with her father. He would invariably be sleeping on the sofa, and on waking up, he would accuse her of staring at him and tell her that she looked like a little brown owl. Once, when her grandmother suggested her to prepare a present for her father's birthday, what she did, she started its preparation. And she searched for some scrap to fill in the pin cushion which she was preparing as a gift for her father. And what she did, she went into her parents' room. She found some papers lying on the bed table. She took all those papers, she tore them to pieces and stuffed them in the pin cushion. But what happened? The papers were important papers of her father's speech for the Port Authority. He became very angry. He rebuked her for touching things that did not belong to her and punished her by hitting her little palm with a scale. And it was the first time that she got some caning or beating from her father. On the other hand, there was a neighborhood family who were known as the McDonalds. And she noticed that the gentleman or the father of the family of McDonald's family was very warm and cordial with his children. He was very warm and loving and cordial with his children. He would play with them, hang them. The children would hang them on his coat. He would laugh and enjoy with his children. MacDonald and his children shared a very friendly and very good cordial relationship with each other. And for Kezia, all these things, the behavior of Mr. MacDonald, he noticed, was really very surprising. And it was very unfortunate for Kezia that her father was in contrast, just opposite to that. And he was very harsh, unfriendly and strict. So, further in the story, and that day she realized that there are different types of fathers in this world. Now after that, one day her mother fell ill. Kezia's grandmother accompanied her mother to the hospital. Kezia was left at home all alone, only in care of Alice the cook. At night, after she was put to bed by the cook, she had a nightmare, a bad dream. She wakes up shivering with fright, with fear. She called her grandmother, but grandmother was not there. Suddenly she saw her father approaching or standing near her bed. And he was there standing near her bed with a candle in his hand. He blew off the candle and bent down and held Kezia in his hand, in his arms, and picked her up. He took her to his bed, pulled the covers around her and made her sleep next to him, close to him, next to him, in his own bed, in his own room. After a while, unable to sleep, Kezia crawled up to her father, snuggled under his arms and held on his shirt tightly. She felt comfortable the first time in the company of her father. Father asked her to rub her feet and against his feet for warmth and fell asleep. At this point, she realized how tired he was after a hard day's work. She understood why her father could not devote much time like Mr. MacDonald on her, that he was a human being and he also needed sympathy. First time she realized the real relationship between herself and her father developed that day. With this realization, she shied and told about her father. What she said in inverted commas, "What a big heart you have got, father dear." And here the inverted commas are closed. Now I unquote, and here on this note the story ends. So this is the short summary of the whole story. Try to do all questions and answers and the long answer type questions also. I have taught you the whole chapter line by line. So try to complete your work. All the best. God bless you. Thank you.